Mudra.
Good morning.
So you're done with your blood draw.
Yes.
And we're already here in, that's our Ilocano word. First Ilocano word of the year. So we're here in the,
Lugan.
there you go. That's our Ilocano word, Mama. Lugan. Lugan. What's lugan?
Kotse. Car.
There you go. Lugan, which is an Ilocano word, means car in English or kotse sa Tagalog. Or sasakyan. Sasakyan. Para sa mga, that's for Tagalog learners watching the Ilocano video, and syempre for Tagalog speakers as well learning Ilocano. Another example before we say bye-bye. So it's 2019, it's New Year, and for those who just bought a new car or lugan, let's say that in Ilocano. Gumatangak ti lugan. Gumatangak. Gumatangak. Gumatangak ti lugan. Gumatangak ti lugan. In Tagalog, that would be, bumili ako ng sasakyan. Bumili ako ng sasakyan. In English, Mudra,
I bought a car.
there you go. So now we can say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye! Babush! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.